Exactly is binary options, right? So we're going to be coming and explaining this in this video today, and we're going to be right back with you.
Blue screens give me goosebumps. I'm not knowing what it.
All right. What's going on, Saucy 1K Vibes family? So we're back at you again with another video, right? With another video. And today's topic is going to be binary options, right? So what exactly is binary option? How does it work? What is the overview about it, right? So binary options, basically what it is, you have two possible outcomes, right? You have a contract that you open, right? And you're going to be taking a trade, right, on a time expiration based with two possible outcomes, right? So you're going to have your time right here, right? To where, let's say if you want to take this trade, and let's believe that I'm going to predict that this market is going to be below where exactly I just got in on my trade, right? So let me go ahead and move this out you guys' way, right? And let's take a trade, right? I'm predicting that this market is going to be below where I got in and took this trade, right? So two possible outcomes that come, right? I can make money on this trade, right? I can make money on this trade, or I can just lose the money I placed to open this trade, right? Those are the two possible outcomes, right? And I'm going to show you an example of both ways, right? A way that it's gonna look when you lose a trade and it doesn't go your way, like here, right? And a way that you're gonna profit and win the trade 70% of the time, right? A way that you're gonna win the trade in ways that you continually win, using a strategy to help you to know what's the best time to take advantage of these moves, right? So here's an example of you losing this trade, right? So whenever you do lose a trade, this is how it's gonna look. We're gonna get you a little red box right here, right? It means you're gonna just lost this trade. Now let's show you guys an example of you guys with the trade, stocks, commodities, and everything. It's gonna be paying out a percentage, right? So that contract has a percentage they're gonna pay you out. So we just won $1.70 on this trade, right? It's because that this currency pair is paying out 70%. Right. So 70% of whatever you opened your trade with, whatever you paid to open your trade with, that's what you're going to get back plus the money you put in. Right. So that's why we made $1.70 because it's paying out 70%, which is 70 cents of a dollar. Right. Now, how I'm able to learn how to do all of this and how to be profitable with these moves in and out is through the I Am Mastery Academy. It's an educational platform that's given us the advantage to be able to learn these different things in and out of the markets. Right. So the I Am educational platform is a financial education platform that teaches us the many ways to make money online and to take advantage of our financial freedom, right? And it also gives us access to artificial intelligence that can help us to cheat code the markets, right? So it gives us access to live mentorship, live videos, educational learning, right? So it does that in the academies to break down all of the basics of what this is, right? So what is binary options, right? Binary options is HFX, right? You'll learn of this on the HFX Academy, right? In the HFX Academy, it literally shows you everything that you need to know, right? From what is HFX, what is traded, right? What brokers you need, the currency pairs and leverage, all of that good stuff, right? And here's where you have the live mentorship and the hands-on learning inside of the Go Live platform, right? So inside this Go Live platform, this is where you're going to begin access to mentorship, right? From six-figure, seven-figure earners, right? And each of these individuals are teaching about 40,000 families to 30,000 families every single week, right? We have the top HFX educators in this boss lady, Millie Mills, teaching about 48,000 families every single week in and week out. And then we have other educators here, as well as Matthew Thayer, right? 37,000 families, and Mr. Deal Woods with 24,000 families, right? So let's click on Miss Millie Mills session. So with these live hands-on learning mentorships, right? Each educator is going to have a specific time that they go live. So let's go back and show you guys that, right? We're going to click on the Go Live HFX library. So it's similar to how you have a TV guide, right? There's going to be a schedule availability for each educator, what days they go live, when they're going live, and what time, right? You can see this here, and there's so many different options here. We have over 100 plus educators that are here teaching us around the clock, right? So here you're able to ask questions, right? They're going to answer your questions inside of the chat, right? All sessions are recorded, so you can go back and you can look for additional learning. And if you want to continue to be a student, right, and educate yourself on how you're able to do this within the strategies to know how you're making your money, right? You'll start here at the bottom with the basic training and work your way up along the way, right? So this is how you're able to do this, right? These live mentorships, let me show you guys an example with these live mentorships of what exactly they're doing. They're going to be sharing their screens and showing you everything that you need to know, right? of what is this about, right? They're going to be teaching you, going to be able to make money and learn at the same time with these educators, right? So that's one of the coolest things with this, right? See, they're marking it up, they're doing their analysis. You're able to see exactly what they're doing, copy it, put your own feel on it, your own style, your own flavor on it, and be able to take it to a whole nother level, right? And like I told you guys, we also have artificial intelligence that is here to help us cheat code the markets, right? So let's go ahead and let's go back and show you guys about that, right? Another cool access feature that we have that helps us to be able to get in and get out of the markets with the bag, right? So let's go here, right? Here are some of the artificial intelligence algorithms. We're going to go to our strategies, right? This is what we're able to access. This is what we use to make our money. And the educators are here as well. They use these same applications, right? And we use our advantage to be able to make money in and out of these markets, right? So this is how we know when to take advantage of positions, right? When to predict when the market's going to be going either our way if we take advantage of a sell by pressing the put button, or take advantage of a buy by pressing the green call button, right? So this is all of the information that you guys need to know, right? So we have a trade here right now, and it's called out as the euro versus the Canadian dollar, right? So let's wait for this thing to pull up, right, and show you guys how to be able to access all of this, right? At the beginning, you're not going to get a lot of it, but you know, you're able to learn, right? You're able to learn, and we're able to help you. You have this live hands-on mentorship. They're going to show you how to be able to use this, right? So this is super simple. The three things you're going to pay attention to is the currency pair, right? This currency pair, right, plus the time, right? EUR CAD, which is the euro versus the Canadian dollar. On a 5-minute time frame, we took this trade for 5 minutes. We got in at these last three numbers are super important, right? 453 was the entry price, and we took advantage of a sell with this red arrow here, right? This red arrow told us to take advantage of a sell and enter. So let's see, right? Let's see if we can catch this move that was just called out, right? Let's see if we can catch this move that was just called out. And let's put it in a $5 position. Being that we are kind of late to the trade, right? So this is literally how it works, right? So if I was able to get in this a lot earlier when it was first called out, right, you can see that we are in major profits, right? We are in major profits, right, when it was first called out, right? So let's see exactly what's going on here, right? If we are able to take advantage and be in profit with the bag. But that is pretty much everything that you guys need to know here, right? That's literally everything that you need to know. We have the live access to hands-on mentorship, right? And we're going to be learning from these different things, learning from these educators. We have access to artificial intelligence to help us cheat code the markets, and so much education here in this financial education platform, right? If you guys would like to learn and get more information or looking to get started with this, all of the information is going to be below, right? And let's check on this and see exactly how we're able to do, right? So we were able to close out on this position with $8.95 and win this trade. So as you see here, guys, this works. This works. It's super, super dope. And everything that the Academy has to offer, and I Am Mastery Academy is super fire. All of the education, all the live mentorship, and so many people have success with it, right? So you guys have more questions, or you want to get more info, you can most definitely get all the information below that I'm going to have in my description. And you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.
Those screens give me goosebumps. I'm not knowing what